Hi friends, happy Wednesday. Today I have a very interesting and a beautiful topic on how to know you're in a healthy relationship. Well, there's a lady who is a relationship and love coach based out of North Carolina, Jennifer Howell, and she says that a great relationship is a safe place for both the people to feel love, honor, and respect. I repeat, love, honor, and respect. Yeah. All right. So let me just quickly jump in and share, my point of view and some of the points which can help you to know if this is the right relationship for you. So let's start. So the first one, you are not afraid to speak up. Well, a lot of times, sharing is difficult, right? Because people are different. They say, right, men are from Mars, women from Venus, which means their point of view, their way of thinking, their opinions are at times different. And people are sensitive as well, right? Sensitive to criticism. And whenever, we have something to tell them, we are also at a very vulnerable place with them. So, but having said all of this, you feel comfortable because your partner gives you that sort of a space to operate, right? He's like, okay, you know what? I value you. I really, really want you in my life. So I'm happy to hear what you have to say. Of course, the way you also put up is very important. But at the end of the day, you're not afraid. You're not afraid to tell them the things that you don't like. And they respect you, they hear you, and they're like, okay, I'm happy to change, right? So yes, you're not afraid to speak up. Trust is the foundation of your relationship. It's at the core of your relationship. Well, in today's time, which is a time of social media, it's very easy to snoop, right? It's very easy to kind of fall out of love, have an affair, all of that. Yeah, it's a really swipe in, swipe out kind of a time that we are into. So, how do you ensure that there is enough trust? First, you don't feel the need to constantly check their phone or their social media handles, right? Which means that you also give them that feeling, and they give you that feeling in return by abiding whatever they say. If they give you a time, they are there at that time. They make time for you, and you feel it, right? You feel that yes, there is enough trust and there is enough, whatever he says or she says is authentic, right? So yeah, trust is the core of any relationship. The third one, you know each other's love language. Now, this is something which is my favorite because, a lot of times, I feel that people are different, right? Which means that, sometimes some people want a constant affirmation by words. Some people just love giving gifts and show their love towards each other. Some just believe in quality time. So just understand your partner's love language and give them what they're looking for, right? Understand what they want out of a relationship and just be in a receiving and a giving format and and do that more often. Okay, you agree to disagree on certain issues. Well, there will be always disagreements, right? I think there is no relationship, forget even a partner, like, even a man and a woman, I would say even with our parents, our siblings and everybody else, we have disagreements. And it's important as well, right? Because a lot of times we also don't know, sometimes that we are making mistakes. So I would love my partner to tell me that, hey, you know what, this is not right. But we disagree, but then we agree, right? We don't lead this into a fight or or a criticism or something like which actually puts me in a very negative zone with him or her, right? So yeah, please agree to disagree on whatever issues, the common issues that you both have. You encourage each other to go after your goals. Now, what happens sometimes, people are different, as I always repeat, right? Which means that maybe my partner, for example, is from a medicine line and I am a creative person. He doesn't understand what I do. I don't understand what he does. But there is enough intent to know what I do and appreciate, share appreciation for each other. That, hey, you know what, I love what you do and why don't you do it more? and read about what they do, right? Be there, just don't tell them that, hey, I don't know what you do, and yeah, I have no interest in knowing as well. Then you have no interest in knowing, spending the life as well with that person. Yeah, so this is very important that you encourage each other by having quality information about the subject they are, that they are into, and there is consistent appreciation and encouragement. You hold separate interests that I've kind of covered. Okay, you're comfortable in your own skin. Now, knowing, and I always say, right, if you remember my video on being unapologetically yourself, it's very important to know your strengths and weaknesses and convey the same thing to your partner as well, which means that, they understand where you lack. So they can fill that void, they can fill that gap for you, right? Because that's what partnership is all about. So first, you understand your strengths and weaknesses, you communicate the same thing to them, and they understand that as well, that what to expect out of you and where do you lack. So they are there for you, they hold your hand and say, hey, you know what, we are a team, let's make it work. So yeah, this is something which is very important as well. Boundaries are honored and respected. Very important, because again, two people, different opinions, different different way of thinking. Sometimes what works for me might not work for my partner, so I communicate that at the right time, and he respects my opinions, he respects my boundaries, and he is with me on what I feel is right for me, and of course I am also with him on what he feels right for himself, and there is a common point that we kind of agree on. Okay, the last and the most important one is you feel happy and supported. Well, I always say, relationships are all about feelings. A lot we communicate through our feelings, right? Which means, and our feelings never lie. We feel the energy, we feel the vibrations. There is a lot people communicate without words as well. So please do, listen to your gut, listen to your instinct. And most importantly, if you feel, happy every day with that person, and you feel supported, heard and understood, then yes, that's the right relationship for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my content, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.